the heads up. I'm like, hey, I gotta go have another meeting with Ravy Bob. So if you get a pineapple emoji via text, like, come find me. I'm in his sex dungeon. Just come get me out of it. And so then I'm like, wait a minute. If he doesn't want to sleep with me, it clicks. I'm like, he doesn't want me to be a part of the sex dungeon collection. He wants me to make sandwiches for the sex dungeon collection. That's where we're at right now. So I send my girlfriends the pineapple emoji, and they show up at the door. I'm like, hey girl, y'all want some sandwiches? That's my time. I'm Rachel Keeley.
Yeah! That's it! Yeah!
Rachel Keeley, keep it going for her!
Yeah!